You guys watching?
Yeah.
Well, I could have reached it, I would have done it myself. I thought about putting it in 4x4. Give me a fucking.
Bleeding everywhere. That's pus? Oh.
I'm queasy.
Look at that, Eric.
Dude, that's so cool looking.
So grossly cool. Dad's not a good pimple popper. Look at all that I've got.
Was it just a pimple the whole time?
How old are you? Are you the 3-year-old? No, he's gonna be 2.
How's it feel?
That's right.
Numb?
2.
Yeah, I feel numb.
Ew. What you need, Mamie?
Something out of my face.
You want a mask?
I do have a mask.
Look at the chunks all over
Do you think
your
it's
hand.
gonna keep coming?
Not that big
there's
pop like
chunks
that.
all
Was
over.
that just the lidocaine?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
that was.
There's chunks all over. Look at that.
You remember years ago when we did it and it just went boom, boom?
Yeah, that's why this one just did. Just the
Look
pressure
at the
off.
chunks on your fingers.
Yeah, I know. I saw them. I saw them on my arm too.
Mark, I can see him posting it. Look at, nope, the chunks on your finger.
Can't say mom.
Does it smell like it did last time?
I'm trying to keep her face out of it.
Yeah, because you know how people are nowadays.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Ew!
I gotta get out. Holy shit. That is massive. OMG. Do you want me to get some gloves and help, Mamie?
I don't have enough set. Jim has some, but he's not here. I don't know where they're at.
Look at that. Just,
Let's see. Do I have gloves in the... Oh, you got sterols on.
Uh-huh.
that is awesome.
That is.
Oh, I'm so
You
making
were
a
gonna
nice
have to
video
send
for
this to
this.
Amy. I forgot to tell her. She said if that ever gets cut without her present, she's dead.
Now you tell me.
You're putting all your pressure into it to get it,
Oh,
aren't
yeah.
you?
You don't even know, Gary. This is awesome.
Oh, dude. Wait till you see it.
Dad's got his laptop. I'll show you after we're done.
Glad you didn't have smell on camera.
Go ahead.
Are you gonna do it or do you want me to?
I can't even see what I'm doing. So.
Oh, get it. You need to push the back of it.
I can't. I don't have.
It's so swollen.
I know.
Tell me if I'm hurting you though. Do you want me to wipe that part
Come
off?
on. No, leave that. Get it on.
But
No, you need to push from the back like that. There you go.
oh, it's gonna touch me.
It's
Oh,
popping.
it's gonna shoot a hole in your eyeball.
Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on. Is that a bite?
No, it's a cyst.
It's like a cyst, dog.
Come on. Videotape that shit. I'll squeeze the fuck out of that.
I can't do it either.
My eyes just watered.
Oh, owie.
That hurts.
Yeah.
Chris is good at this stuff.
It don't bother me at all.
Not coming out.
Oh, you're crazy.
It don't bother me at all.
Alright, we got the games on.
All right. You need to put alcohol and stuff on
We
it.
need to wait.
I don't know if it's
Here.
gonna You missed it last night. It was so
You should
bad.
have a mom do it.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get any more. I'm gonna have to pull that top of it.
Oh, there it is.
Where did it come?
There's some. You can see more white. Your
You need to
finger's
push
blocking
from the
it.
back.
I can't get.
Oh!
See, I told you it's hard.
Yeah, keep going.
I told you it's
Keep
hard.
going. That's ready to go.
I can't.
Oh my god! You did good.
I can't get leverage on it.
You're doing perfect. It's coming out.
There you go.